I'm Mackensi Emory with Team Paul Mitchell and Century Martial Arts, and I'm going to cover the 7 cuts today. 7 cuts are the only strike we have with the commas, so it's really important to build the solid foundation before we move on to all the fun, fancy stuff with the commas. All right, the first common mistake that I will see with commas is that you're going to move your wrist, not making it a full strike. All right, so that's what we want to cover today to make sure it's clean, solid, and strike hard. So we're going to start toward the side with the chop hand on top. When you chop out, you want to start with your back hand, the one that's chambered, from your ear, cut all the way across your body. This will eliminate the twirly effect that you can get with the 7 cuts if you go too fast, and it'll make it more of a strike before you go into all the spins. All right, so from the side, we're going to step out, chop, cut across, cut all the way down with your right hand, bring it in as your other hand is going to do the exact same thing on the other side, all the way across your body. Use your shoulder instead of your wrist. Your wrist shouldn't move at all. It should be all with your arm, strike there and down, and end with a nice punch at the end.